No. Okay, so that's an eagle chasing. I don't know what he's chasing, but he's gonna get him. We're about to see Merica right here. Whatever that is.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, oh, dude.
Why are you getting...
Oh, look, there's a rainbow right up there too. Merica and a rainbow. Oh, this bird is gonna get killed right above our house.
I can't look up. It's hurting my eyes.
I don't know what kind of bird it is.
Where are they?
They're right directly above us.
Yeah, and then when they latch together, they're gonna come down. Oh my god.
Dude, I am getting dizzy. That's a baby eagle. I don't know what he... Oh, shit, he almost got him.
Oh, did you hear it? It was so low. Oh no, that bird is... Oh my god, I can't...
I don't know what that is. I want to say it's a seagull, but I don't think it is. Well, that eagle's gonna get him. Well, I guess he can't find any fish, so he's going after a bird. I mean, I don't know how hard it would be to outrun this guy, but that bird don't seem to be going very fast. The eagle's just trying to get him. Let's see if I can... Oh, he's gonna get him. Where are they at? There they are.
Did you get it?
No, not yet.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, dude, they're all over.
It's really fast.
Yeah, it's gonna... I mean, that eagle's not gonna give up. I don't know what kind of bird that is.
Oh no, but it's scary.
Oh! Oh, dude, he had him.
Dude, why are you videotaping that?
This one...
Buster, it's time to lay down.
Man, I've got the sunsets
You're
in
done.
my eyes. My eyes are killing me. Oh, dude, here comes 2 more eagles. This bird is done.
John, why are you videotaping that? That was terrible.
Oh, this is Mother Nature.
No, that's terrible.
I think that's 2 more eagles. Yep, it is. They're baby eagles. It's 3 baby eagles are going. Oh, see, one peeled off. Oh, I wonder if they're gonna share it. Why, he's another one peeled off. Where are they going? Oh man, my eyes are killing me looking up here. If I don't have it in the camera, I'm sorry. Okay. That other eagle over there is coming back in. Oh, here comes... Oh. Okay, so, actually, that don't look like an eagle up there. That looks like an owl. Okay, so that bird's getting away again. Alright, I'm gonna pause until some action goes.